Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to Good Food, Simple Science. Now today we're making a beef rendang, which is one of my absolute favorite recipes right now. It's a stunning dish from Southeast Asia, which is often prepared for ceremonial occasions. And why not? Because it is absolutely explosive in flavor. So you're going from those caramelized, rich notes of that dark brown, cooked down coconut milk, going into the depth and heat of that dry red chili. And you've got those warming spices coming through. So you've got your cinnamon, star anise, cloves, and all kind of balanced out with your top notes of your lime, your lemongrass, lime leaf, and ginger. So let's begin, and we're going to start by making our spice paste. Roughly chopping 2 shallots. Add these into a pan. To this we'll add 3 cloves of garlic, 3 centimetre piece of ginger. Okay, so now with our garlic, shallots and ginger cooked down slightly, we're going to add 6 whole dried red chilies which have been rehydrated in some boiling water. Add that into the pan. Our blender. And we're blend these. So while they're blending, let's turn up the heat, fry off some beef shin. So I've got 800 grams of diced beef shin, diced nice and thick. Let's do this in stages. You can see we're getting a really good sear to our beef, which is unlocking all that flavour. We'll turn down our heat, add our spice paste, hot pan. We'll just cook this paste out for a minute. Okay, so now with our spice paste reduced right down, we're going to add our coconut. So we've got first coconut cream and coconut milk as well. Mix this right in. This we're going to add our cinnamon, star anise. We've got some lime leaves and lemongrass. So lime leaves can go straight in. Lemongrass, we're just going to bash up so it'll release those beautiful aromatic oils into the sauce. Next, got some tamarind paste. Just gonna add 2 teaspoons of that. Okay, so now we have the base to our beef rendang reducing down nicely and infusing with all those other aromatic ingredients as well. Typically for a beef rendang you'd add the beef now and reduce so the coconut milk caramelizes and you get a dry flaky texture of the beef. I want to do a little bit different, so I want to retain a little bit of moisture within the beef itself. So to do that, I'm going to let to reduce a touch of the sauce right now. I'll add the beef and cook on for a further 1.5 to 2 hours to achieve that desired texture. So you want the beef to flake, but you want to retain that moisture within the beef itself. And then we can adjust the sauce to our desired consistency at the end. So beef, which is really beautiful, tender. Let's spoon this out. So to our sauce we're going to add some orange 2, some baby corn, and a good handful of palm sugar to cut through the spice. Now let's grate in some fresh lime zest. So let's add our beef into the sauce, some chopped coriander, and here is our beef rendang.